Hi, Dog Mountain here, and welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can actually quit a club. If you're joined the club and then you feel like you just have to quit the club, perhaps something going on doesn't seem to be too fair to you, or you feel like there's too much pressure being mounted on you for you to be doing the tasks and whatever, or you just feel like you have to open your own club. So what you do is you head on to Niki Live. You head on to Niki Live. Let's do that. Head on to Niki Live and open it. Okay, so beautiful. So now this time around, what has happened is the moment I've just opened Niki, the club's tab is the one which is active, which is second from the one which is in the bottom left corner. So mostly when you open Niki Live, what you see is this. So the club's tab is this one, which is the second from this one here, from the left, this one. And you'll be able to see the members of the club, and you'll be able to see the other clubs which are active as well as the tasks. So now what you do is this: if you want to quit the club, you check out in the top right corner. So in the top right corner, you will see those two tabs. There's that one which is more like, which looks very much like the heart of a pop. Then there's this one here where there is a Y symbol, and there is a hexagon and a circle on the outside. This one here, you tap here. Okay, so once you tap here, you will see the details of the club. There is where it says the portrait, there is name of the club and announcements, there is member titles, then not disturb. Then at the bottom here, there is a command. There's a command tab which reads quit the club. You simply click here and you'll be good to go, and you will quit the club. So that's how we do it. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and share with other members of Niki.